Hey YouTubers, this is Digger Dave 51. Picked up a used 24-inch backhoe bucket from my John Deere 310, and the back pins were missing, the bushings for the pins, and I picked two of them up off of eBay, and here they are. Looks like they didn't do that good of a machining job on this one. I have one in. Now I'm gonna try putting the other one in and see how it goes. I got my handy dandy bushing driver, so let's see how it goes. Centered in is going to be the hard part. Hopefully they'll line up. Shot in pretty good. Oops. Uh-oh. Seems to be in. Yeah, this is the bushing and the bushing driver. I don't remember what's it, but my screw that locks it down is missing, and it got all rounded off, and the threads are all messed up. I don't know what to do about that. Let's just show you what we have here. No one there. Be in there pretty good. Now I'm going to hook it up with a quick coupler and see how everything lines up. Thanks for watching. Digger Dave out.